Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Kanban board to your Asana project. If you're looking to organize your tasks visually and streamline your workflow, integrating a Kanban board into Asana is a perfect solution. This is especially useful if you're managing Shopify-related work like product launches, order fulfillment, marketing campaigns, or ongoing store optimizations. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the simple process. First, you'll want to navigate to your specific project in Asana. This could be a project for managing your Shopify store tasks, a content calendar, or a team workflow. Once you're in the project, you might notice several different ways to view your tasks, such as list, calendar, or timeline. These options allow you to manage and visualize your work effectively depending on your preference. But today, we're focusing on adding a Kanban board view, one of the most popular ways to visualize project progress and task flow. A Kanban board view is a PPR. At the top of your project page, you'll see various view tabs laid out. These tabs control how your tasks are displayed. To proceed, go ahead and click on the plus icon found within these view tabs. This action allows you to add a new tab, offering more flexibility in how you choose to manage your project without removing your existing views. The plus icon is key here, and it's easily recognizable by its simple, distinct design. Once you click on this icon, a small menu will appear presenting you with different views you can add. From this menu, you'll want to select Board. Choosing Board here essentially adds the Canva board feature to your Asana project. Canva boards are incredibly useful, providing a visual representation of tasks moving through stages, such as to-do, in progress, and done. For Shopify store owners, this makes it much easier to track things like product setup stages, ad approvals, or customer support workflows at a glance. After selecting Board, you'll see that the Canva board integrates seamlessly into your existing project. What's great about this setup is that it automatically synchronizes with your main list view. This synchronization ensures that any changes made in the board view are reflected in the list view, and vice versa. So, if you add a new task on the board, update a task status, or move it between columns, it will instantly appear in your list, maintaining consistency across all views and avoiding duplicate work. This interconnectivity means less time spent managing different views and more time actually working on your tasks. And there you have it. The Kanban board is now ready for you to start organizing your tasks with ease. This addition not only helps in visualizing your work, but also empowers you to adjust your priorities dynamically as your project progresses, which is especially helpful when store priorities change quickly. Remember to use the board for a clearer representation of your workflow and to enhance team collaboration by making task management transparent and accessible. When everyone can see what's in progress or completed, communication improves and bottlenecks become easier to spot. I hope you found this guide useful and that adding a Canva board to your Asana project enhances your productivity. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, comment, or subscribe for more helpful tutorials.